Hi, I'm doing my video presentation for the Chapter 2 Knowledge Base assignment. Today I want to share how I would introduce a new service, which is selling rental market data from my app Renter to a potential real estate client. By using these important knowledge bases, I can position my service not only as valuable, but essential to their success. So let's start with the industry and company knowledge base. Before meeting with the client, I'd research whether they specialize in residential or commercial investments, and then I'd examine current trends in the rental market. I'd figure out the areas where they're most active in real estate, and then I could show how our user behavior data reflects rising interest in similar areas. This type of insight shows that I understand both the industry landscape and their business, which builds immediate credibility. So next up is the product knowledge. I'd explain how Renter gathers high-quality, real-time data, which can be categorized by city or province. For example, I could say last quarter, we saw a 40% spike in interest for basement suites in the Kelowna area. This level of detail gives them an edge in pricing, marketing, and strategies. Moving on to the service knowledge base, we could offer a full rundown of the data transfer process, including API, which is just a way for them to receive the data, and information about exactly what they should expect. I could offer information about similar clients that proves our reliability, and then this also shows that our service isn't just functional, but it also has longevity. For the promotion and price knowledge base, I'd present our pricing model, which has scalable subscription options based on the region size and amount of data. I could be transparent about discounts for longer term contracts. I could even give them a demo of the type of information they'll be receiving if we're just to see if we're a good fit for them. In the market and customer knowledge base, if the client's customer base includes property investors, then I can explain how our data helps them to forecast rental potential. If they're more focused on landlords, then I could show how we track tenant preferences, and this could really help in optimizing current rental properties that large rental developers own. So next is the competitor knowledge. This positions Renter as a superior choice. I can explain how our data is more current and cutting edge, unlike the delayed CMHC reports, which only happen once a year. Through the technology knowledge base, I could show how Renter uses machine learning to spot patterns and predict shifts. This gives our client an edge before the market even catches on. In conclusion, by drawing on all of the 7 knowledge bases, industry, product service, pricing, customer, competitors, and technology, I can build a strong trust-based relationship with my potential client. My goal is to show the client that our company's data isn't just informative, but it's also a tool that gives them a huge market advantage. Thank you very much for your time.